Hey, what's happening, Sneaky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. So starting off with the updates, as you see, I'm wearing the NBA shirt. Football season is over, so we're switching over to the NBA now. So as you don't know already, by the time this video comes out, of course, you would already know about this. As breaking news is the Jordan 3 Black Cements will be releasing this holiday season. I already got my Jordan 3s reimagined, look just like these. We don't know if right now if they're gonna be all leather at the top, like these are nubuck. These are actually the off Nor, and it's a funny thing that Jordan Brand just restocked these for the women. So I was wondering like if they have like whole bunch of extra of these, and that's why these are releasing all of a sudden now for the holidays. But only time will tell. Let me know if you're excited about the Jordan 3 Black Cements re-releasing again. Again, this will look similar to this shoe, but at least photos that we have right now, instead of being nubuck at the top, it'll be leather, but it will have that reimagined, aged out sole just as this. This is not white. All other aspects of the shoe will look the same. And supposedly, instead of having that Jumpman on the back, it's rumored to have Nike Air on the back, but we have to wait and see how that branding comes out. I'm not sure what color is the toe, going to be the Jordan at the on the tongue, but we'll have to wait and see on that as well. But as we find out more information, we'll let y'all know, stick ahead to keep going in the loop with things. Some other news that I heard today, as of today is the February 16th, that Nike will be laying off people from their jobs. But they said this is nothing new. But it's going to be, instead of the low end people, it's going to be some mid executives that they'll be laying off because they claim that Nike's not selling as good as they were in the past. But hey, they just made $1 billion selling the Jordan Jumpman. So that concludes the updates. So moving on to the recaps. I'm gonna start off. So on February the 2nd, we did have this new golf shoe called the Jordan Mule. Didn't have no laces. That's the thing that was unique about these. It did come out in a nice colorway, in my opinion. Red colorway. Can't go wrong with that. I did see these fit online for a while, but as of today, they are completely sold out. I think a lot of people started buying them up so they can get make content, as well as people just want to try them on because it's something new that Jordan Brand is doing with the no lace things. Let us know in the comments. Were you able to cop a pair of these, or you just passed on these because you don't, like me and my brother said, we don't golf. So what you got next, my brother?
So on February the 3rd, we had those Jordan 3 crafts come out. Price point for those was $210. According to Nike.com, all sizes are still available. Once again,
Yes, sir.
all sizes are still available. I felt like that price point was too high, so I can see why that
Yes, sir.
shoe is sitting. But if you are looking to cop those, and if you did cop them, hey, drop us a comment down below. But right now, all sizes are available if you're interested in those shoes.
So I was correct about this on my prediction about these. I did call it like the Jordan 4 crafts didn't do well. And of course, a less popular silhouette, the threes. I don't know why this craft series is not getting any love. I do like the efforts of the Jordan brand. They did attempt to sell these by putting that Nike Air branding on the back. However, like my bro said, with the increased price point of $10, it did not sell out. Again, I don't know why Nike's being greedy, raise up the price point, but again, they're just shooting themselves in the foot. And again, they just keep flooding the market on shoes, general release shoes that we really don't want, but yet the shoes that we really want, like the Nike SBs, those green Jordan 4s that everybody wants that are $500. How come they ain't producing more of those? So I don't know. Like whoever make a decision that the brand is just doing an injustice to the Nike/Jordan brand. But let us know your thoughts and comments down below, sneakerheads.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.